arbitrationagreements.org. So you've heard the term arbitration thrown around, but what exactly does arbitration decision entail? Let's dive deep into the thrilling world of arbitration decisions and discover its wonders together. An arbitration decision is a determination made by one or more arbitrators at the end of an arbitration proceeding. It's akin to a judgment in a court of law, but with its own unique twist. Arbitration itself is a method of resolving disputes outside the courts, usually in a more confidential, often quicker, and sometimes less formal setting. Now, statistics show that over 60% of commercial contracts now contain arbitration clauses. Why? Because parties want a quick, effective, and less adversarial way to solve disputes. Arbitrators are usually experts in their field, often lawyers or professionals with a wealth of knowledge about the specific issue at hand. They are appointed by the parties involved or by an arbitration institution, and their role is to hear the arguments, review the evidence, and then make a binding decision. What's fascinating is that in 2019, around 40,000 arbitration cases were registered worldwide. That's a lot of decisions being made, helping parties move forward and find solutions. An arbitration decision can be final and binding, meaning that the parties have to follow it and it's enforceable in courts. About 85% of arbitration decisions are complied with voluntarily by the parties. This means the vast majority of parties respect the decision and take the necessary steps without the need for court intervention. If you want to learn more information about arbitration, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. What do you think about the advantages of arbitration? Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.